Hey, Coach Greg here with Fall Training, and if you are trying to lift and tone your glutes, this is the workout for you. We have 5 exercises coming your way that are gonna do just that, so let's get started. All right, so we got 3 sets. We are gonna start off with good old glute kickback. Here we go, 30 seconds on. Stand up nice and tall. 3, 2, 1, let's get it. So as I always say, pretend that there was gum or poo on your shoe, and you're just trying to wipe it off, right? Boom. Just like that. Sometimes with kickbacks, you do more of like a bent knee variation, and this can work, right? So if you want to do this way, do that way. But I like this because it activates your glutes more. Instead of focusing on height, all we're trying to do is get our leg back, feel it in our glute muscles here. Boom. So slight bent forward, right? My back is flat, my core is tight. Boom. So we're just lifting. And as you can see from right here, boom, everything is locked and tight. 3, 2, 1, done. Shake it out, move around. Next, we have some mini pulse squats, and this is where it gets fun. Now you can do different variations. You can do more standard right here. You can go more wide. You can go more sumo, whatever works for you, whatever you feel the most, feel free to do that. Here we go. 3, 2, 1, let's get it. So all we're doing is mini pulses. Core is tight, back is flat. You're not trying to go super deep. You're not trying to go stay up top. Planting your feet into the ground, right? It's pushing the ground. Just like that. So if you're doing more standard, you may feel a little more in your hammies and your quads. If you go a little further out, that is where you're gonna feel it more back here. But whatever you feel comfortable with. Now I'm not as flexible, but you don't have to go as deep, right? As long as your back is flat. You're gonna feel all up in the back here. 3, 2, 1, and up. Oh, if that's tired me out. Not gonna lie, but we are gonna press forward because we are not done yet. We have a standing fire hydrant. We are gonna do left leg first, then the right leg. Normally, this is on the ground, right? You're here, boom, fire hydrant, dog, you get it. But this is a great way to focus on your side body. So all we're doing is standing, bending your knee, and we're just lifting to the side. That's simple. You're gonna do it all up over here. Come on, 3, 2, 1. Going on our left leg, just raise. Also works on your balance, but if you want, you can hold on to something, a wall, a chair, counter, whatever you got. There it is. Also, don't worry so much about trying to get height, right? This isn't like a side kick. I mean, this is the position, martial arts of the side kick, right? But stay here. Try not to bend over because you're kind of losing the juice of what it does to your glutes on this side. 3, 2, 1, and done. Relax that side. We have one more to go. Here we go. 3, 2, 1. Let's get it. There it is. And then for set 2 and 3, we can go crazy. There it is. Also, feel free to hold at the top for a second if you want. So you're really gonna feel it. There it is. Almost there. 3, 2, 1, and don't fall it. Oh, that tired me out again, but that's a good thing, right? We want our workouts to push us. And last but not least, speaking of pushing, we got step back lunge. Here we go. 3, 2, 1. Let's go. All we're doing is stepping back. Don't worry, we're not doing these super deep lunges. We're just doing this small, boom, small range, just like that. But feel it in your glutes, right? Mind-body connection. If you need to go a little deeper, feel free, but you don't have to. Boom, just here. Remember, suck your belly button to your spine. You want strong, stable base. 3, 2, 1. Done. All right, we got our first set done. Hopefully you feel your glutes lifting. And if not, we have sets 2 and 3 to help with that. So here we go. Let's get it. Glute kickback. 3, 2, 1, go.
Subscribe today to see every workout as it drops.
3, 2, 1, done. Mini pulse squat. 3, 2, 1, go. Three, 2, 1, and done. Fire hydrant left. 3, 2, 1, go. Three, 2, 1, done. Fire hydrant right. 3, 2, 1, go. Three, 2, 1, done. Step back lunge. 3, 2, 1, go. Three, 2, 1, done. All right, we got our first set done. Hopefully you feel your glutes lifting. And if not, we have sets 2 and 3 to help with that. So here we go. Let's get it. Glute kickback. 3, 2, 1, go.
Subscribe now to see your next favorite workout.
Three, 2, 1, done. Mini pulse squat. 3, 2, 1, go. Three, 2, 1, and done. Fire hydrant left. 3, 2, 1, go. Three, 2, 1, done. Fire hydrant right. 3, 2, 1, go. Three, 2, 1, done. Step back lunge. 3, 2, 1, go. 3, 2, 1, done. And there you have it. That's how you lift and tone your glutes. Give yourself one of these, and one of these, and one of these. You don't have to do that, but maybe see the difference, you know, maybe before, after. Continue to do these type of exercises, and hopefully you should see a lot of improvement. But thank you so much for joining me on this workout. This is fun. Go ahead, if you haven't, click the notification bell to stay on top of any new videos dropping. So more content, recipes, everything from Coach Paula, Coach Mary, Coach Gabby, and Coach Greg. That is me. But I will see you later, my friend. Stay safe, stay blessed, and stay strong. Peace. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and click the bell to receive notifications for our latest videos. We have tons of content from workouts to recipes updated daily.